Welcome back to another hair tutorial video. We jumping right into this video because okay.
No.
Yeah, no, here, come. Ziggy's shy right now to introduce the video, the hair, but you want to do it? Okay, go take it.
Yeah, man. So I don't know if tonight we are doing the different settings. Them sit down, them wanna call it headband, wig or weave. Where this come from?
Ayiyi.
What's it called? Ayiyi.
I think, I don't know.
Ayiyi.
Shout out to Ayiyi for sponsoring this video. They sent us a headband wig and we gonna do a hair tutorial, but Ziggy gonna do it for me.
Yes, sir.
When you open the box, we get the wig, which I'll show you guys after. It's a red wig. And then we do get some hold this Ziggy. So we do get 3 headbands.
Yeah?
Yeah, you get 3 headbands that you guys will see. What else we get, Ziggy?
You got a purse.
You got a purse.
Isn't this a purse?
Yes. We got some lashes.
Yeah.
These ones, I think I might actually like these ones. And not Ziggy's jumping the tutorial. This little bag right here, and we're gonna check what's inside. So we got another pair of lashes. I think they're like the same thing. I got another headband. This one you tie. Also got a cute little clip. Yay, my favorite part. I got another edge brush. And we also got a wig cap. I don't know if I'll be using the wig cap. So keep in mind that this hair is red and my baby hairs are black. So I don't know if I'm gonna pull out baby hairs, even though I feel like baby hairs usually give the hair the look. But we'll see what happens. So this is the hair that they sent me. It's so vibrant and red. And I know Keisha would love this one. I know Keisha's gonna want this one. It's really red and it looks really red on camera as well. So as red as it looked, this is it. So this is their 99J headband wig in red burgundy, and this is the water wave 18-inch. So I don't know. We'll see how it looks. I don't know why it feels wet. Hold on. So with the wig, it is a headband wig as I said before. So it has the band part to it, and then it does have the little Velcro part. Yeah, so it has 4 clips, so the front, the back, and then the sides have one as well to add extra security to the hair. So these headband wigs are super easy to put on, especially if you're someone like me who don't really know how to install wigs, and there's just a quick grab and go. So if Ziggy can put this on my head, then you know that it's easy to put on. But we're gonna see if you can do it. Put him up to the challenge.
There's a tape where we're pulling it out.
Ew.
Let's see how I'm going on.
So you're gonna install.
Let me see.
Come here, install it on you.
No.
What are you doing? Analyzing it to see if you know how to do it?
Yeah, because I have to look for the thing first. You know, I don't want to just jump and just so. This. You see, you put them on already, you know, but. Oh yeah, go.
I'm dead. Okay, come.
Right.
So how are you gonna do it? I have these 2 elastic things in my hair. You can leave it if you want. You can leave them. You just have to. So
me have to do all of that. Me just have to put on the wig for you.
You're doing everything right now, son. Let me get you a chair.
I don't even know how to catch that hair at the back. If you put on this like.
You gonna learn today, son.
No,
Excuse me.
yo, that's not in the plan. So I'm gonna change up this thing. Come.
What do you mean that's not the plan?
Fix your head.
Fix your head.
Fix this.
What do you want me to do with it? My hair is so puffy right now. I can't do nothing I can do with it.
Oh, okay. So what am I gonna do with it?
You have to try. Okay, I'm gonna put it in a really low bun as I can.
Then I must feel hook. Because this look like funny.
This look like what?
But them yeah.
Ziggy said the lace look like panty.
Okay. So yeah, do baby hair and thing too.
You're styling the hair, so do however you want to do baby hair. You can, but my hair is my baby hair is black, so
Oh.
we'll see how it goes.
Bro, this is not my thing, eh?
Just try. Oh, I should have a pin right here. Okay, go.
So, oh, please see it.
Are you trying to tell me that my head is too big for this? Right now, my hair is not braided down.
Well, front. Well, if let me catch up this, guys.
Is it on my head?
It is on your head.
Oh, okay.
Let me fix this. So, did I hear it look easy? Like, I guess I just want to catch you over your head realistly and make sure say things kind of set properly or not. You know? Nisha, it look big.
It's my hair because my hair's not braided down right now, so obviously you know it's not gonna fully. You secure the clips? Yes, secure a clip there.
I'm gonna feel for them and see if I find them. Feel. No, okay.
It's okay.
So you go work with this if
you want baby hair, you don't want baby hair. You could leave it like that, it's fine because I give it like a more natural look. So even if he wants to leave like these little pieces, so it'll give it like a natural look.
What? Want me to try that?
You want the edge brush?
Yeah, man.
You didn't even secure it.
Secure why?
You didn't button this.
This not secure.
What do you do with this?
Vietnam man, when I must say this have it tape like I guess this of his size of your head, so you make like keep him tight and sinting.
That's what it's for? But how is Ziggy doing baby hair right now? He didn't even secure. You have to lock it.
Easy enough.
No,
let me take out right now. You look like I should have take out them already. Just let me do it, man.
But if you don't lock this, it's gonna start off my head.
Just let me do it, man.
Oh my goodness.
Just.
Okay, go.
Yo, you man, tell me if you can't deal with the thing for me, like show me what I want. Me just take out and me take out because obviously them should have come out there.
Brush my hair like you want to brush my baby hair, like what?
You see, just a while ago, me
I don't even feel the brush touching my head.
Just humble yourself. Just humble yourself, brother. Mama. Yeah, it's a big man.
Oh, the band's too big?
Yeah.
Oh.
The band too big, so. You see?
Oh, is it hanging?
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I guess they should have make you have more space on this. Anyway. Do you have this over your ears or behind your ears?
Yeah, you have it on the other side.
Yeah.
I low-key should have like bringing my hair down still, cause
honestly, you think anybody can do this? One tree, you know?
I don't know.
Why else you know what we do?
I feel like with this type of hair, like if you're, I don't know if it's because now I'm just used to the black hair, but like you're done styling it, like here.
One more you want? You see?
Well, you pull out the baby hair. What was the point of you pulling these out?
Oh, you put on this. I never see you. I never watch it with this on then. We can fix up the thing first and then decide what is what. It look like it leans on me.
I low-key think you got too much baby hair, but okay.
Jesus. Should I last get up this in a way like Jerry rice and them. Just hold them around this for me there. Touch up, make sure it's there. Why are you laughing? Come on, say you're no, we'll laugh if we'll laugh, Nisha. Let me try something, I know. Try something. Jesus, Nisha. That's it. No, it's not. No. Yeah, man, they catch man. Huh? No, I said the man don't catch, brother. The man don't catch. They're not good.
Yo, comment down below if Ziggy did my baby hair though.
I can't do no more.
It's cause, let me tell you why, cause you pulled out too much. Okay, anyways, just go like this and just
say comb me down and then I kinda dry, but
this side's weird, but yeah.
try.
This side of my hair is baby hair.
It's weird.
Okay, so the ends underneath.
Oh, you talk like use the back part. Jesus.
Okay guys, so Ziggy did, he attempted this side. Comment down below if you guys think he did decent.
You see? So right there, so just I don't know, but right there say you look weird. I don't know. Or say.
Oh my gosh, let me see.
Or twist up the shoulder.
I don't know, I just kind of like play around with
Curl
it.
up.
So,
I don't know, but one thing with them wig, I'm like do it like quick and fast, you know?
yeah,
You just quick throw and say anybody can.
So this is Ziggy's attempt of putting on the wig, okay? What do you guys think? How do you do? Comment down below and let him know how you did.
Let me see a day here, them asking them, but get out, come.
Okay guys, so this is Ziggy's attempt. Let him know. Hair being like the headband being really big, the hair is really soft and easy to work with. The color is really red, so if you are bold enough to wear this color, then you know you can try it out. It's different for me because my hair hasn't been red in a while, even a couple weeks. I think it's been like a week or 2 weeks. So like seeing myself in red, I'm like, oh, but that happened the first time when I colored my hair. So me looking at myself even right now, I'm just like, I don't know if I'm feeling this. Like, I don't know, my hands are even like red. But yeah, the hair is soft. It is water wave, so it's not really supposed to be, the curls are not really supposed to be too tight but not too loose, or I guess like more of like a loose look is what it should have, I should say. It does have minimal shedding, but it's human hair, so it's expected. All I did was use a little bit of water conditioner in it, and I just added some mousse. So these hairs are usually pretty good. This is the first time they're working with this company, but the hair is super soft, like I said. As you guys can see, the wig is so easy to put on, because if Ziggy can put it on, well, somewhat put it on, that means that literally anybody can put it on. So the direct link to this wig will be in my description box down below. Just make sure you guys check it out if you guys are interested in that, and if there's any discount codes, it will be down there as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.